Find the square root of 2 correct to 3 decimal places. Correct to 3 decimal places. Not up to 3 decimal places, correct. The number 2 is not a perfect square. Since we require the square root of 2 correct to 3 decimal places, we will find the square root up to 4 places. For this we have to add 4 pairs of zeros after the decimal point. Then we will approximate the value to 3 places of decimals. 2 point, then 4 pairs of zeros added to the right side of the decimal point. Take the first group, 2. 2 is not a perfect square. 1 is the largest perfect square, smaller than 2. Subtracting 1, we are going to get 1 here. Then write down the next pair. That is, now the number has become 100. Multiply the quotient, that is 1 by 2. You get 2 here. And I have to find out a number here. Like 21 into 1, 22 into 2. Like that, when I multiply that number, it will be equal to 100 or a number very close to that. That is nothing but 24 into 4. I get 96. A number very close to 100, should not be more than 100. 4, 1.4, 96. 96 is subtracted from 100. We get 4 here. Now write down the next pair that makes the number 400. Now multiply the quotient by 2 without the decimal point. That is 14 into 2, 28. We have to find out a number in the unit place, like 281 into 1, then 282 into 2, 283 into 3, like that. That number should not exceed 400. The biggest number I have to get, and it should not exceed 400. So it is 1 only here, and write in the quotient also 1. 281. Now I am going to subtract it. 281 is subtracted from 400. 9, 1, 1. Now write down the next pair of zeros. Multiply the quotient again by 2. Now it is 141 into 2, 282. 2821 into 1, 2822 into 2. Like that, I have to get a number very close to 11,900. So 2824 multiplied by 4 that will be 11,296. So that's the number I have to write here. I get 4, 11,296. Subtracting, I will get 4, 0 6. Now write down the last pair of zeros, multiply the quotient, that is 1414 by 2, 8282. 2828, and digits is to be filled here. $28,282 multiplied by 2. But I'm going to get 4, 6, 5, 6, 5. A number very close to 60,400. 5, 6, 5, 6, 4. Now subtract this. Number 2 also should be written in the quotient. The square root of 2 is equal to 1.4142. We are asked to find the square root of 2 up to 3 places of decimals, correct to 3 places of decimals. Now see the fourth decimal, 2, it is less than 5. Since it is less than 5, we can just omit it. So 1.414. If it was 5 or greater than 5, we would have added 1 place to the third decimal place. It would have become 1.415. Now the square root of 2 is equal to 1.414, correct to 3 places of decimals. Correct to 3 places of decimals.